Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet for absolute beginners. I will teach you some basic stitches and skills you need to know. Let's get started. You can use any basic yarn on your house. I'm going to use 4mm hook and this blue cotton yarn. Making a slip knot is always the first step when starting a piece of project. Take the yarn and loop it around your finger like an X. And pull your finger through that loop and grab the yarn tail with your index finger and your thumb and pull through. So this is your first slip knot. Then pull your crochet hook in and pull the yarn to tighten it. Make sure the loop is secure but slides easily. Wind the yarn around your little finger and then pass your two middle finger and under your forefinger. The forefinger is used to position the yarn and the middle finger is to keep the yarn taut. Like that. There are two ways of holding the crochet hook. The first way is you hold the hook like a knife. The second way is you hold it like a pen. You can hold the hook in any position that you like and you feel comfortable. We are going to start with a slip knot. Hold the yarn. Grab the work with your middle finger and your thumb. Put the hook on the left side of this string. Go under the yarn. Twist your hook and hook up the yarn and pull through the loop on your hook. So that's one chain. Go under the yarn and twist your hook. Hook up the yarn. That's also called yarn over. And pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. And each chain is a V. Now we have 11 chain stitch. Now we are going to learn how to do a single crochet. We're going to insert our hook into the second chain stitch, which is the second V from our hook. This is the first stitch. This is the first chain, and this is the second. And we're going to insert our hook into the second chain. Going behind the string and twist the hook and hook up the yarn and pull through. And now you have two loops on your hook and yarn over and pull through both two loops. So this is your first single crochet. And we skip the first chain as a turning stitch. And we are going to continue. Insert your hook into the next chain stitch yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Insert your hook and pull through. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are going to another row. And we need to chain 1. This chain is also called the turning chain. This is the turning chain and this is the first single crochet. So insert your hook into the very first single crochet. Now we are going to do a row of half double crochet. To start, we need to chain 2. And turn our work. Insert a hook into this first stitch. We need to yarn over and insert our hook into the first stitch. Yarn over, come out, yarn over, and pull through all the 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, come out, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do a row of double crochet. We need to chain 3 and turn our work, yarn over, and insert your hook into the very first stitch, yarn over, come out, yarn over, and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, come out. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 loops. Now we finished our row of double crochet. We are going to do a row of triple crochet. To start, we need to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn our work. We need to yarn over twice before you insert. 1, 2, insert your hook, yarn over, come out. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, come out, yarn over, and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 loops, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, come out, yarn over, and pull through, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any video suggestions or requests, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video.